Hi there, Hamburg. This is Sara Naumann, and I wanted to welcome you to my upcoming stamping workshop at Studio 42 right here in Hamburg. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about stamping. So stamping is a really easy technique to do and a lot of fun. A couple of the things that you'll need to have, of course, you'll need to have some stamps, and here I'm working with some clear acrylic stamps. With clear acrylic stamps, you also need to have a clear acrylic block. This will be like a handle. You'll need some ink, and you'll also need something to stamp onto, and I'm just using a piece of white cardstock in this case. So then what I'll do with my acrylic stamp is just peel the stamp off of the liner sheet, and I'll put it onto my clear acrylic block. And this will cling on here, so it doesn't need any glue or anything else. And that means that you can just pull this off, clean it really easily, and then put it back onto your liner sheet when you're done. So then what I'll do is just simply ink up my stamp with my black ink, and I'll just make sure that this is really well inked before I take my stamp right to my cardstock. And I'm going to press this pretty firmly, make sure that I'm not rocking the block at all, and then lift, and you can see that I have a perfectly stamped image. Now I can color this in with colored pencils or markers or pens, or just leave it as it is. If you'd like to learn more about stamping, get some hands-on experience, I hope you can join me at Studio 42. More information is on the website at studio42hh.com. Hope to see you there.